Hey everyone, welcome to day one of Vlogmas. Actually, we're not going to do it that way this year. We're going to just introduce it like this. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I am Mr. Riley from MrRileysWorld. And hey, we have signed up for year 2 of Vlogmas. Last year was my very first time producing Vlogmas videos. As a matter of fact, check out this Vlogmas from last year just to see the growth that has taken place from last year to this year. I'm sure you will enjoy that particular video. However, some of you might not know what Vlogmas is, and so let me tell you what Vlogmas is. Vlogmas is a time, or a month actually, when content creators like myself produce a video every single day in the month of December. Now, some people go to the 25th of December and stop on Christmas. However, your boy's going to try to do all 31 days of December. That's right. I'm going to produce a video every single day in the month of December. We'll post it to my YouTube site. And so that's where you can find that information. So let me let you know, let me give you an inkling as to what's going to happen this year during Vlogmas. I'm going to give you an insight as to what I use. My tech setup last year was it was a learning experience for me. And so I have grown. And so I'm anxious to show you some of the tech toys, including this bad boy right here. That's right, the iPhone 13, and maybe I'll do my top 5 features of the iPhone 13. We'll talk about some of the tools that I use here in my RileysWorld studio. We'll also talk about a life as an early childhood special educator. Now, last year during this time, we were virtually teaching, and so I was sitting at my desk, and my virtual classroom was wide open. And so this year we're person to person, and so I want to give you a glimpse as to what happens every single day in my classroom. I want to give you maybe another top 5 children's stories that I like. Maybe also we'll do a top 5 list of Eric Carle books. Now, if you don't know who Eric Carle is, he is a very famous children's author. He passed away earlier this year, I believe, and so I'll give you my top 5 of some of my favorite Eric Carle books, as well as we'll talk about what it means to be a D1 football parent. I have my 2 older sons who are on D1 football teams. We'll talk about what does that mean to them? What does it mean to us? And then we'll also maybe take you on a road trip to one of their games as well. Also, I have been married for 24 years, and so hopefully a few of these videos during this month we'll talk about what it means to be married. This is year 24, my Kobe year, and so we're anxiously looking for our 25th year. And so I know one of our videos we're going to introduce or invite actually friends and family to come along with us during our 25th anniversary celebration, and so that'll take place sometime this summer. And so we'll produce a video, myself and my wife, just giving some details about how you can celebrate with us. And then also what I'm going to feature during Vlogmas is just my social media knowledge. I am the social media content creator for my youngest son's football team, and so I've used Canva to produce a lot of graphics for the team. I'll talk about live streaming every single Friday. For the past couple of months I've been live streaming using Facebook Live, and so we'll talk about how to do that. Maybe there's some social media folks for high school football teams or basketball teams or soccer teams, and they want to know how to live stream a video. We had the privilege of having family members from all over the world, Thailand, Spain, just all over the United States, looking at their sons, their nephews, their grandsons play in a football game. And then also, I am the technology director for my church, and so we'll talk about what it means to live streaming, or what it means to live stream during a pandemic. And so just our particular setup, what did we do when we first started, and then just to see the the progress of where we are right now. And so we have a lot of things in store for this coming Vlogmas year. And so we want you to just hang out with us and go along with the journey with Mr. Riley and Mr. Riley's World. And you know what you can do right now just to get your appetite whet, check out this other video as well. We had fun showing my son how to drive. And so now, you know, one of the videos that we'll produce is actually he's a licensed driver. And so just to see the maturation, the process from him learning to actually now him receiving his driver's license is a wonderful life event. So we'll bring that to you as well. Other than that, hey, we're going to have fun this month. Come back often as you can, and make sure if you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment, like, and of course you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified anytime I drop a brand new video. Matter of fact, you know what? I want you to be safe until the next video. Take care.